All right, so what I have is an intracellular cleansing and revitalizing, meaning I rid toxins from all different parts of the body and lift up back the immune system. As you know, the food system has been compromised over 400 years now, so most of what you consume is starch and it breaks down the human biological structure if you don't cleanse back the system. So the detox is to remove the debris through the intestine line, which is 20 to 24 feet long, from all the non-organic food you eat. The organ cleanser, warm and take at night to clean the lymph gland, the gallbladder, the liver, the lungs, the kidney, the skin. The blood cleanser is to purify the blood, making sure there is no manifestation of a cell erosion in the body. The alkaline tea take away the mucus and let the cells reunite, because there's only one disease, which is the compromisation breakage of the mucous membrane that enter into the blood plasma and disunite the cells. The 102 mineral convoys into oxygen to feed the brain and build the immune system to fight off all virus. The stem cell increaser, increase your stem cell that goes down every year, increase your blood flow, prevent blood clot, and renew all your organs for a better body function. And this is an aggressive detox, take at night only, all right? So get them now. Don't drink it.
I don't want to make it go a couple times.
3 to 4 times.
I mean, don't want it to hurt, hurt your stomach.
No, it doesn't hurt your stomach. It just push out all that waste that need to come out, all that bloating.
And how much time you have to drink that?
It's only 7 ounces at night only. So you can drink it tonight, you can skip tomorrow night, take it another night until you finish the process. Then you get back some good gut bacteria to balance back the pH level at 7.3, because you know when you cleanse the system, you cleanse good and bad, and you have to put back that good gut bacteria. You understand? Because the 102 mineral run the human biological structure. You are made up of 102 mineral, and sea mash contains of 92% mineral that run the human biological structure, combining with elderberry, sarsaparilla, bladderwrack, and all those stuff. All right?
Here's a big question I have here now. Because you know the Jamaican man, them love to shoot straight.
Yes.
What for them man the way?
It's the same 102 mineral, but guess what? You have to cleanse the system. No matter what you're doing, you have to cleanse the system before you can build the system, because if you put in the builder, it have to go fight to do all that stuff, and you want blood to circulate. Everything happens because of circulation, inflammation. So you have to get that plaque out of the arteries and get the blood moving. Then you put in the stamina.
I want to like sinus and headache and everything there.
Best thing on earth. Best thing on earth, for the best. You pull that mucus, even if you not see it, because mucus is that thing where some people, when they really have sinus, you still have mucus because you eat starch.
Yeah.
So you pull that mucus and either you pass out with your feces or you spit it out.
So if it's a pull the mucus, the people with stubborn belly fat and them things, it also help.
Everything it will help. And help the metabolism to kickstart.
So alright, what the people can find outside?
Okay, well you can find it on Instagram at bodycleanser_detox, over TikTok body cleanser, or call me at 876-406-6029.
Link the man people, the man have the good thing them. If you build up the structure, build up the system. And if you have sinus, if you have headache, if you have stubborn belly fat,
Diabetes,
same way, the man
not sleep well.
How do you deliver?
Not Sir Delivery Island wide.
And overseas?
Cambria Heights, Queens, New York.
Alright, cool. And if you have a number for this, sir?
Yeah, we just link up on the IG, give it the number. Alright, check it.
Yeah man, blessed love man, blessed love. The original body cleanse, detox, boss people. Link up the man, get the thing, treat your system right. Until we link again.
Better to be safe than sorry.
Better to be safe than sorry. Yeah man.
Alright.
Until we meet again, Jamaica Uncut.
That is it.